lover's moon tonight. Ang strumming niyan ay 3 down, 1, 2, 3, then isang down up. Mali, 4 na down pala, 1, 2, 3, 4, then up. Tempo niyan ay ganito. Baling style niyan, yung unang 2 down, parang light strumming lang, dito lang. Pero yung pangatlo, may emphasis. Bali yung pangatlo, ganito. Gawin natin yung unang 3 down. Ganon. Tung, tung, jump. Then yung last na down up. Ulitin natin yung strumming na yan. Okay, umpisa natin sa intro. Ang intro ay 2 rounds nung set ng chords ng G, E minor, C at saka D. C, D, isang round pa. Then D. Gawin natin intro hanggang verse. Release. Then chorus. Lovers, I want you to shine on me. I'm dancing with a memory. I wish I might have one last chance to hold her tight. Gawin mo yung intro 4 na beses. Pagkatapos ng 4 na beses na ron, ngayon punta ng second verse. There's a lover's moon tonight, shining down on half of this world. Too many souls are in its light, but for me there is just one girl. She's waiting. I know she's waiting. I know she waits.